depending on where you are right now. Right now we're getting ready to repot. Actually not repot, we're getting ready to plant our Kent mango tree. At this time we've already dug a hole, and let me get in there and show you a few things. We have not dug the hole too deep because mangoes don't like to be buried too deep. This part right here where they start growing out of, this needs to be exposed still. Like, this is where the dirt level is going to be. And right now all the dirt that we pulled out of the ground to make this hole, it's about what, a foot deep? What'd you say?
About a foot.
Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and put all this dirt back in the ground. We didn't put any potting soil or anything in here, or any mycorrhizal to help with the roots, but we think it's gonna do well because when we dug this dirt out, it wasn't as sandy as we thought it was gonna be. It's actually still looking a little bit okay. It's not too bad. It is sandy, but we repotted this probably about a month ago now, and it still has some of the potting soil around it, so I think it's going to do an okay job. Right now we're going to go ahead and start putting that dirt back in there. Where you at? Oh, here's some of our pineapple we got going on. Oh, Mr. Man's over here taking pictures. Say hey.
Papaya pineapple.
Papaya pineapple. We got a new flavor over here. That's actually a tomato growing in there with it, I think. But anyway, this video is about our Kent mango. So you're gonna go ahead and start putting the dirt back in, and just to make sure that we don't have any air pockets in there when we get it all planted, I'm gonna go ahead and water it at the same time. So let me go turn the water on.
Yeah, so what you want to do is lay the dirt in there evenly and just layer it down. Just do one layer at a time, then do your watering and let it settle. And then layer it down again.
Turn it all the way up. So yeah, what this water is doing while we're filling it back with the dirt is breaking up the soil and making sure there's no air pockets in it, like I said earlier. So you know, when you you heavily water some soil like this, especially because the water's just laying on top of the dirt right now, the soil right now, it's not going to be leaving any air pockets. We're going to put the rest of the dirt in. Easy. It's really hot out here, guys. You see how much I'm sweating right now. It's ridiculous. It's like 90 something degrees still. Probably like 91 degrees, but yesterday was about 96. Oh, by the way, if you don't know already, we're here in Orlando, Florida. And of course, we have to be somewhere in the subtropics to plant one of these things. Because they don't like the cold, of course. So we're almost done here. Are you going to put the rest of the water in it? I mean, the soil? This looks like more soil than water. I'm not sure what was growing on the top there. Oh, look, what is that? Anyway. Still watering.
We just watched a video on YouTube on how to do this. I'll put the link in there below. Or not below, I'll put the video. I'll put the little thing with them there. What color things that slide in the video? Anyway, the pies or something like that. I'll put that in the video so you guys can check it out.
Of it's gonna have a little more detail because this is actually the first time I'm planting one of my fruit trees in the ground. I haven't done this before. Out of my 3 years in gardening, I have never put one of my fruit trees in the ground yet. Am I lying? No, we did. Remember when we put the pineapple in the ground? And it, I think it was right before it started fruiting. Remember? Am I talking to myself?
Did we?
I guess I am. I got a non-multitasker. So yeah, you can see right here that we're not filling the dirt over this piece right here. We're not filling it up over that. It's gonna come over these roots and stuff because yeah, it kind of got soaked out with the water. But yeah, this is a good level for it, and it went down about 1 foot. Let me just leave this right here so you get some more dirt and see how this video looks. Oh, by the way, when we bought this mango tree, that little section right there, this line is where it was when we bought it, and it was just one trunk going all the way down. But now, since we've gotten it, how long has it been? About, how long would you say? No. April, May, July, probably about 4 months now. Yeah, it's been about 4 months, and these side shoots coming off of it there, and all these at the top are brand new since 4 months ago. I think we've done a pretty good job. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get some. Well, not yet. We're not gonna go ahead and mulch it yet because we want that dirt to settle in, and he's not done yet. I'm sure you guys probably are bored of watching this right now, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and mulch it tomorrow. We don't have any mulch yet, of course. We forgot to get the mulch, and we don't have any wood chips laying around here, and we don't have any old leaves left over there in the corner. But yeah, can you step to the side a little bit? Step aside now. Let me show you how to plant a mango. So yeah, we've got a piece of turmeric over there and our lemongrass. Unfortunately, right now we are wasting this little piece of vine bread we have right here. There's nothing growing. We gotta get our fall crops growing soon. We just took all the tomatoes out of there, and just the rest of our trees. You see, we still haven't planted our Big Daddy avocado down there. We're gonna get to it. Recycling the boxes, of course. And so yeah, got anything to say?
No.
No? Sure about that? I'll let it some more. I think it's gonna rain in a little bit too, so I don't think we have to do too much. See that? You can see those rain clouds a little bit, but it's about time it rained out here in Florida. It's always raining every day in the summertime. Oh no, it's out of focus. Okay, I guess we gotta focus on our baby here. So yeah, I just want to encourage you all to start growing, especially if you're out here in Central Florida. I don't think there is any reason why you shouldn't be growing something already. Especially if you have a big backyard. Sometimes if you don't even have a big backyard, you can grow whatever you want. Not exactly whatever you want, but it's probably like small crops. Like you can have a tomato plant in pots. That's how we first started. So yeah, so enough here, enough of me, and I guess I'll show you guys the progress on this mango plant, and I'll be telling you how old it is in the next video update, because I don't even know how old this tree is right now. When we bought it, course we didn't ask. But I know it's a Kent mango tree, and they're pretty good. Those mangoes are anywhere from about 1.5 to 2 pounds, maybe 3 sometimes, but they're pretty good and they're very juicy, and they're not very fibrous. They have a lot of, you know, just fruit, tasty, juicy fruit in there. All right, so growing is knowing, caring is sharing. If you like this video, go ahead and check out the rest of my videos that I got going on here. I'm going to be doing more videos of me out here in the garden. I know I've been doing this for 3 years, guys, and I haven't done any videos like this in my garden. Yeah, and I think it's because it's hard. We sweat buckets out here. As you can see, I'm like drenched right now, and yeah, I'm gonna be doing more of these. So please like and subscribe and share these videos to whoever you think might need to see them, because when I was on YouTube the other day, I didn't see many videos of people in Central Florida doing this. A couple of you good. Shout out to all you people out there in Central Florida doing the damn thing, gardening and stuff, because you know we got the best environment. Peace.